In this video, I will show you how to make your mouse cursor larger on a MacBook. To get started, first click on the Apple logo located in the top left corner of your screen. From this menu, select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, look for Accessibility. Click on Accessibility, and you'll be taken to a new set of options aimed at enhancing usability. Next, find and select Display. Now scroll down until you see the pointer section. In this area, there's an option labeled Pointer Size. By default, this setting is usually set to normal. To make your mouse cursor larger, simply move this slider towards the right side. As you do so, watch closely as your mouse cursor grows bigger in real time. Adjust it until you find a size that feels comfortable for you. Once you're satisfied with your new cursor size, there's no need to hit save. Your changes are automatically saved when you exit out of these settings. Additionally, if you'd like an extra boost in locating your cursor quickly, consider toggling on the switch next to Shake Mouse Pointer to locate. When activated, shaking your mouse will cause the pointer to momentarily enlarge and move back and forth across the screen, a handy feature for those moments when it disappears among open windows. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.